In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your footage using CapCut, a versatile and user-friendly video editing application. Before we get started, make sure you have CapCut installed and ready to go on your device. Let's jump right in. To begin, open CapCut and start a new project. It's effortless to do. Once you're in the main interface, you'll see an option to create a new project. Give it a click. Now it's time to bring in your video. Import your video by selecting the Import Media option. Choose the video file you want to work with. Once imported, simply drag your video down onto the timeline. This timeline is where you'll be doing most of your editing magic, so get comfortable with it. Next, click on your video clip in the timeline to select it. This will allow you to make specific edits to that clip. You'll notice on the right-hand panel, several tabs are available. What we're interested in today is the Face tab, so go ahead and click on that. This section is where we can make various enhancements to the visual aspects of the face within your video. Under the Face tab, you'll see an option to enable beauty modifications. Turn this on. Once you do, you'll have a variety of sliders to adjust. There are many different choices here, such as smoothing, skin tone adjustments, and even eye size changes. These tools are designed to enhance overall appearance while keeping it natural. Move the slider gently and watch how it affects your video. Too much of an effect might look unnatural, so aim for subtle improvements for the best results. After adjusting, it's crucial to preview your changes. Play the video back, paying close attention to the areas you've modified. Does everything look just right, or do you need some fine-tuning? Use this preview as your guide. If something seems a bit off, don't hesitate to go back to the settings and tweak them until you're satisfied with the outcome. And there you have it, a polished and professional-looking video using the beauty features in CapCut. This process allows for a swift yet impactful improvement to your footage, ensuring your work stands out. By following these straightforward steps, you've taken the initiative to learn and implement a new skill in video editing, which can significantly enhance your content's appeal. Remember to save your project frequently to avoid any loss of progress. Thanks so much for watching, and happy editing.